You're being great homies as usual. Okay, let's go now. Let's go ruin another car. Alexa, go fuck yourself. Mission accomplished. Let's ruin something else. I'm hungry. Let's make some soup. Do, 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 do. Dodged, kind of. Get a rad mirror, you know you want to. I mean, that's like 10K, and I'm not sure I want to. I mean, to be honest, the scratches are not too bad. It's only visible if you get like really close and you start looking and inspect it. I was inspecting it, just trying to see if there are any more of the like smudges, you know, like dirty smudges. And that's how I noticed them. It's not too bad. You know, I'm just being dramatic for the sake of stream. I don't particularly care too much. It's just a bit of a bummer because it's a new car, and I feel like you guys could have told me. I feel like you homies could have been like, yo, Mira, maybe don't wash it with that harsh. It didn't look that harsh, but I'm thinking honestly, that's a shit spongy. Like, I wouldn't use that spongy on my skin because I feel like it. I don't like how it feels on my skin, if that makes sense. And I like harsh, to be honest. The issue is not that it's that harsh. It's oh, that's good. Look at that ginger cat soup. Let's add a little bit of ew. I think it's bad. Ew. No. Let's not add that. It's very nice. It's like a perfect one. Trash it. Why would I trash it? You guys are funny bunnies. You guys are funny bunnies. Oh yeah, I made a new post on IG and Twitter today. Some good freebies. Go enjoy. mirrorsjuice.com. Fresh juice and tech. Oh, 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 oh. Delicious. Alexa, stop the music. Puff, what do you think? It's me, it's Mira and Coffee P, representing the hood in the, I can't say the area, but there's an area in LA, Los Angeles, California. Puff, Puffy. Чего рычишь? Сейчас я высморкаюсь в нее. Она такая мягенькая, мне так удобно сморкаться. Пафя? No, Puff. Oh, wait, she can't breathe. Nope. Puff. Puff. Hey. No bark. Hey. Hey. No. No. Puff. Puff. Listen to me. She's smelling another dog. That's why she's so... Puff. She's so annoying. She sees another dog. A while ago. It's like a... So, I feel like she's gonna go bark if I let her down. You know what? I'm gonna put her up here. She can bark here. Chet, you know what kind of worries me? Like, yeah, do you see these? Like the micro thingies? I don't think they were here before I washed it. Is it possible that I scratched the whole car? Because I was using this thing? I mean, I thought this was pretty soft, but... Тебе писали, поменяй мочалку. Вот суки. Чего же вы мне раньше не сказали? Блять, а всю машину что ли расцарапала? Блять! You're telling me I literally scratched the whole car with it? Fuck. Seriously? How come you didn't tell me? Chat. Use turtle wax. Well, it's too late now. Look at it. The whole car. Literally the whole... Everything is just... Everything has the scratches now. We did. No, you didn't. You should have told me. Fuck. Look, all of it. Well, it's not very visible from like distance. There's still dirt around. But like at the parts where, yeah, you can kind of see like here. You can see like where I washed very little and where I washed a lot. Why didn't you tell me to change it? Is that what happened? Like, tell me, honestly. Or is it like another quick fix to this? Oh my. Oh, it scratches. I mean, they're only visible if you get like really close, but still, it's hard. Why didn't you tell me? What? Good job. Good job, everyone. Good job. Good job, everyone that participated.